So naked stock to have an 80% gain by October of 2021. This could be an amazing opportunity for making great gains on naked stock in a short period of time. We are going to cover why we think naked stock could have an 80% gain by the end of October. And more importantly, how much risk is involved for a possible 80% gain. We will visit this chart again shortly to cover the 80% gain. So first, let's cover why could it hit 80% before the end of October. Currently, the stock is trading for under $1 on NASDAQ. And according to NASDAQ, naked stock is currently out of compliance with the NASDAQ requirement. So if naked stock can't get above $1 per share, then NASDAQ can actually delist them from the exchange. Naked Brand Group actually has until October 25th of 2021 to get above $1 per share. Now, do you think the Naked Brand Group execs want naked stock to get delisted from NASDAQ? You don't have to answer that. That was a rhetorical question. Now, we've come up with 3 possible solutions to get the naked stock price above $1 per share. Solution number 1, the naked execs put a plan together to get the stock trading well above $1 before the October deadline. Maybe they can contact these guys and have them work some of their magic. So solution 1 is a great scenario. Now let's look at another great scenario. Solution number 2, a possible merger or acquisition. Could somebody buy Naked Brand Group out and create a nice payday for everyone? It's possible, right? Now let's look at the third and final solution that we came up with. This third solution is something that naked stock has done 3 times, and it probably presents the biggest risk for the stock price. So just what is solution number 3? The Naked Brand Group could do another reverse split. And what is a reverse split, and how would it affect the holders? Well, let's look at an example. Say Naked gives you 20 coins worth $1 each that equals $20 total. Now in the same example, let's say that Naked takes 10 of your coins away but says the 10 left over are now worth $2 each for a total of $20. So to a current holder, they have the same overall value, but a new holder would have to pay $2 per share in order to own a share. And a stock chart will reflect the new price of $2 per share. And unless you know that naked stock had reverse splits, it can look like the price on the charts doubled in this scenario. And historically, after a reverse split, the naked stock share prices have tanked hard. So let's take a look at the actual charts of naked stock's history of their reverse splits. So you can see on August 5th of 2015, there was a reverse split to where for every 40 shares you had, you got 1 in return. On June 20th of 2018, for every 5 shares you had, you got 1 in return. And on December 20th of 2019, for every 100 shares you had, you got to exchange it for 1 in return. And point your eyes to August 5th and June 20th. Look at what happened right after the reverse split. The price tanked hard. So what usually happens to a company that does several reverse splits? It usually doesn't end well. And have any companies come out of a reverse split and done well? There is one notable company, perhaps you've heard of, Priceline, which is now Booking Holdings, which trades under NASDAQ symbol BKNG. They did a 1-6 reverse split after the internet tech bust, and since bottoming out in the late 2000s, their shares are up a whopping 6,000%. Now, could naked stock do what Priceline did? Once again, it's possible, and it's also possible the price could tank hard and holders could be left holding the bag. So you must ask yourself this: how much risk am I willing to take for a possible 80% gain? So let's take a look at the naked stock chart one more time. If there's ever a time that naked wanted to get above $1, the time is now, right? So you can see 56 cents is approximately where it is trading at the time of this recording. And if it can get up to $1, that is an 80% gain. And you'd like to think that they're going to want a nice safety pad. So if they even go above $1, you're looking at 100% plus gain in a relatively short period of time. So go ahead and comment below and let us know which one of these 3 solutions that we've come up with would be the most likely to happen. Or if you can think of any others that we did not mention, please drop that in the comments below too, so we can all learn. And as always, this was not financial advice. This was for entertainment purposes only. We personally do have holdings in Naked. We do want it to do well. But as always, you must make your own financial decisions and do your own research. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any important Naked info. See you soon.